Hey everyone, in this video, we'll show you how to compress Excel files using ZipKing. There are two simple ways to do it. Let's start with method 1. Open ZipKing on your PC. You'll find Excel compression under Image, PDF, or Video tabs. Click any of them to get into Hyper-Compress. Then select Excel from the menu. Now click Add File. Or just drag and drop your Excel file into the panel. You can keep the default settings or adjust them if needed. Then hit Compress, and you're good to go. Alright, let's move on to method 2. Find the Excel file you want to compress. Right-click it. From the options, pick Excel Compression. It'll open the Hyper-Compress interface directly. Here, you can set the output quality and choose your storage location. Once everything's set, just click Compress, and that's how you compress Excel files with ZipKing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the link in the description to try WMaster ZipKing for free. See you in the next one.